Hey everyone! Welcome to another LiamMakes video. Today we are going to be showing you how to make homemade orange juice. So you're going to need oranges, a cup, a knife, cutting board, and a juicer. Now this can be one where you squeeze or the one that you push and turn. Now we're using one like this because that's really what we could find. So you can use either, and I'm actually going to be telling you how to use each, but the one that we're going to be using and mainly telling you about is this one. So the thing you're going to need to do first is take one of your oranges and cut it in half. I don't know how to do this. Oh, good, perfect. And then, now that you have your orange cut in half, you're gonna just squish that thing on there and then start turning. And the juice will slowly drip into the bottom. And do it until it's almost like it's just a cap on there. And it'll just keep coming out of there. Over and over. Okay, I think we've got that one. And you're just going to be repeatedly doing this over and over until you've done your last orange. And then you have your juice. And then at the end, we're going to show some final facts about oranges and orange juice. So, hang in there. Now that we have got our orange juice, at the end we are also going to be taste testing it. But before that, we're going to tell you a few facts about oranges. Okay, so here we go. There are more than 6,000 orange species in the world, which is pretty darn cool. And then there is also more than 35 million orange trees in Mexico. Oranges also have lots of vitamin C, which helps the immune system and its cytokines. Now, cytokines are basically the way that white blood cells, or the things that fight off those germs, communicate. That way, like if there's a white blood cell far away from another one, those cytokines can help tell each one of them that there is an invader inside of the body. And also, pirates would get scurvy, as they call it, because of a lack of vitamin C. And the last fact I have for you is that the orange juice is the #1 juice in America, used by Americans or any other people coming to America. Oh, I almost forgot. One thing we didn't mention is that we were going to show you what the inside of those oranges looked like when we smashed them down and got the juice out. And they look kind of like a pumpkin. They're all squishy and juicy, and except they have no seeds. It seems like it could be a room freshener. Okay, now we are going to be taste testing the orange juice. So first thing, I'm gonna need to throw this away. Okay, now that we put the piece of the orange in the trash, we are going to be taste testing the orange juice now. And then, okay. It's kind of pulpy, but it still looks good. It smells good too. Okay. 3, 2, 1, drink. Hey, it actually tastes pretty good. It really is good, actually. It's still pulpy, but it's sweet, little sour, and, well, it's orange juice. It tastes like orange juice. Well, I think that's gonna be where we're gonna end the video today. Like, subscribe, it would be very helpful for me and any other supporting fans of my channel. So, we're gonna see you in our next video, and bye-bye.